Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's finally Wednesday, guys. The core CPI, the CPI inflation report in United States, big event on the market and very important for the Federal Reserve because they've been following very precisely. I would say the last couple of months, what's going on with the inflation. Quick reminder: Powell said a couple of months ago that inflation is temporary and it will be corrected itself very quick, and it's something that's not happening. This is going to be the topic today. This is going to be the event for the whole week. I would say the most important event this week, and it's going to be very interesting. Let's take a look on the calendar. What's going on? So Monday is practically nothing. Yesterday we got retail sales in Australia went up from 4.9% last month to 7.3%. Retail sales are performing very well. It's growing, showing signs of growth, and respectively speaking, showing signs of growth of the economy. Tuesday, we got also Federal Reserve Chairman Powell testifies event, so that he simply supports the interest rate hikes. Some analysts are saying there will be three interest rate hikes this year. Some are saying there will be four. Let's see, it's a matter of time to see. Anyway, in about a couple of days, we have the interest rate reports, which is going to be very exciting for sure, especially as long as we are getting closer to the hikes, to the interest rate um, change. It's gonna be awesome. And of course, Wednesday, today, 1:30 p.m. GMT, we have CPI report, inflation report. Bear in mind, according to the forecast, is expected to go up with 0.2% from 6.8 to 7%, which is, but we are not surprised whatsoever, considering what's going on, especially the new COVID variant. So it's pretty logical what's happening. Crude oil actually is breaking through $80 per barrel. Also, correction is expected. Careful by taking crude oil buy trades on the top because you can get caught. Thursday, tomorrow, we have initial jobless claims. Oh, sorry, crude oil inventory is also 3:30 p.m. today. Thursday, we have initial jobless claims, 1:30 p.m. Very important indicator event for the labor market in United States. PPI, same time, 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. For GMT for the US dollar. Friday, we got retail sales and retail sales, core retail sales and retail sales, monthly basis in United States, 1:30 p.m. GMT, and this is what's all about in terms of economic events. So let's take a look what's going on the charts. Euro US dollar trying to push up, trying to push above the resistance 1 point at 1385. For now, it's creating a very small uptrend. Careful by taking any trades on the Euro US dollar, I would say, even though I'm remaining bullish on the Euro US dollar, but still it's not very clear price action the last couple of days. So just going directly to the GBP USD, which is much more clear. Going very easily through the resistance and round number 1.36. Correction is expected, guys, but especially careful with the core CPI and the CPI, the inflation report today, because this can actually give a direction to the majors to see this correction that we've been expecting. So for now, I'm not taking any buy trades on the GBP, even though I'm going to looking for such to get good buy opportunities on the GBP. Very nice recovery here. Australian USD, we talked about it, talked about this bounce, talked about the correction, went down, bounced from the support, going up in order, heading to test the 0.7288, and why not further up with 0.74, completely possible. Currently the price is 70 pips away from the resistance level, so we have a lot of room to grow, especially the retail sales. Yesterday, 7.3%. It's pretty logical to see the Australian going up. New Zealand USD on the other side is slipping. As you can see, there is no much direction here on the New Zealand dollar. Even though it's trying to push up, we have many resistance levels to break through: 0.68, 0.6859, 69, and 0.6942. So it will be very hard for the New Zealand dollar to break through all of these resistances. It's not about it's impossible, but definitely much harder then the Australian quickly to get back to it. So you can see we just have one, and after that the other one is far far away. USD Canadian going to crude immediately because this is what's what's happening. $3.3 per barrel, guys, for a day. Huge, significant epic push through the resistance level. Slight drop to the downside. I've been expecting much bigger correction than just this tiny one, but it seems it's this is the recent price action as exactly the same like here. This was beginning of January 2 weeks ago, and a slight push exactly the same. Usually when we have small corrections, not deep one, be careful because it means that we've been expecting bigger deep correction than we've been expecting before, which was on Monday. And that's why these buy trades right now on the crude oil, in my opinion, are very dangerous. Yes, crude oil is in a bullish mode. Definitely, I've been looking for buy trades, but definitely not right now. And this is what's happening on the USD Canadian. Absolutely predicted from Monday's video. Breakout of this support level, the 1.2550, absolutely 70-80 pips breakout, and heading obviously very hard to the support level 1.2466, and I would wait the price to hit. Whoever taking the short trade is very happy right now, especially the big guys. Also USD Swiss just following its crazy price action. If you take a look the bigger picture, going almost nowhere. I'm remaining bearish on the USD Swiss until I see the Federal Reserve start taking any action towards their interest rates. So just take a look. It's Totoma is going up, down, up, down, up, down, and right now pushed up yesterday with on Monday, sorry, 80 pips, and after that yesterday slight recovery, 30-40 pips, and right now the price is simply sleeping and waiting for the inflation report later. USD Japan, the other one that makes me very surprised, and no major drop, 110 pips. It's nothing much because compared to the push to the upside 310, this is just tiny correction. I'm not touching the USD Japan for the last couple of weeks simply because there is no clear direction. We have a drop, big drop, push to the upside, another drop, but still USD Japan, if I zoom out heavily, you're going to see USD Japanese is usually performing very big time down, and that's why I still believe we can see huge drop to the downside, something like here when it happens. It was 2016, but it's such a price action is pretty normal on the Japanese currency pair price action. So this is it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, share us and like us on the social medias. I'm definitely gonna appreciate it, as this is how you support our YouTube channel, spreading the good word. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Good luck and have a very profitable week. Bye.